Steam mussels, a delicious journey in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the flavorful world of cooking phrases, specifically the phrase, steam mussels. This phrase is not just about cooking. It's a window into English language culinary terms. Let's explore together. Steam mussels refers to a cooking method involving mussels, a type of shellfish. Steaming is a process where food is cooked using steam from boiling water. This phrase is often used in recipes and cooking shows. It's a great example of how English combines verbs and nouns to describe actions. 1. Steam. This is a verb and it means to cook something with the vapor produced when water is heated to a high temperature. 2. Mussels. These are a type of shellfish, known for their distinctive black shells and are a popular seafood choice around the world. Understanding each word helps in comprehending the phrase as a whole. In English, combining a verb with a noun like this is a common way to describe cooking techniques. To help you grasp how steam mussels is used in everyday English, here are a few examples. Tonight, I'm going to steam mussels with garlic and white wine. The recipe says to steam mussels for about 5 minutes. I love how the restaurant prepares its steamed mussels. That's a wrap on our journey with steam mussels. Remember, phrases like these are not just about cooking. They're about understanding the versatility of the English language. We hope you found this video enlightening and fun. Happy learning and see you in our next video.